2018 Chevy Tahoe. This is how you replace the remote battery.
Okay, so your first step is going to be to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. Right on the left side of the remote, there's a button you need to push. Then you pull out the key out of the bottom. Now we're going to separate this cover from the front. We're going to take it off. You're going to need a little flathead screwdriver, and you're going to end up prying at something like this right here, and it will release it, okay? Alright, so we take it off. The back of the remote is what holds the battery. Use a flathead screwdriver just to pop it out. We get our new battery. And here's our new battery. The size is the CR2032. And the positive sign, see right there, it is going to be facing down into the remote. Like that, pop it right back in there. And we get the other half of the remote. And we just sandwich them back together. Here it kind of click. And I get the emergency key. And we can just hook it back up. And it's all done. Hopefully the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you like and subscribe.